They are Australia's elite special forces, the lethal operatives of the Special Air Service Regiment, the SAS. For more than a decade, they were on the front lines of Australia's longest war. Tonight, the deadly operations in Afghanistan with Australia's secretive SAS.
For fuck's sake. Yeah, get the fuck here.
Revealed in never-before-seen footage obtained by Four Corners. For the first time, a Special Forces operative who was on these covert missions speaks out about what he saw.
The guy had his hands up, and then it was almost like target practice for that soldier. He shot him, twice through the chest and then once through the head as he walked past him.
It's May 2012, and the soldiers of 3 Squadron SAS are heading north from their base on 2 Black Hawk helicopters. Their destination is a village called Dejazi Hasanzi. The target is an insurgent bomb maker. The helmet camera footage you're seeing is from the SAS patrol dog handler. And what you will see next could result in charges of war crimes. The dog handler heads out into the lead with the patrol scout, who we'll call Soldier C.
Hey, Sam's over there.
They are being guided by the 2 Black Hawks ahead, whose crew have spotted a man in a field. The dog, named Quake, is then let off the leash.
Hey, come! Listen, I've got a gun! Quake down!
The dog handler's gun is trained on a figure in the distance, who drops down into the field. At the field, the dog handler and Soldier C come across a young man amongst the wheat, who's trying to fight off Quake.
Quake! Leave! Quake!
In the man's hand appears to be a set of red prayer beads. No weapon or radio can be seen. The Afghan is compliant and quiet on the ground.
Down.
As the dog is called off, Soldier C trains his weapon on the Afghan from very close range. He then turns to the dog handler.
I don't know, mate. Quake, no! Quake! Stop! Leave! Quake! Leave! Heal.
3 shots from close range. The Afghan is dead, and Soldier C walks off.
No! Heal!
The whole thing, from landing to killing, takes less than 3 minutes.
Heal! Heal!